Hello everyone, my name is Vaishali. Welcome back to my channel P. Vaishali's Mathematics Classes. We are going to start a new chapter from the 10th standard CBSE board and the chapter name is the triangles. This is the 6th chapter from your book. Let us see some introduction about this chapter. By the way, what the things you are going to learn? In 9th standard, you have learnt about the congruence about the two triangles. Now, in this 10th class, the new thing you are going to learn that is about the similarity. You are going to study about the similarity. But before going to the similarity, let us just revise how the two shapes are said to be the congruent. Two shapes are said to be congruent if they should have the same size and the same shape. And same shape. Then we can say that the two figures are congruent. What the symbol is used here? This symbol is used for the two figures are congruent. Suppose I am going to draw the two circles here with the same radius. This is the center of this circle. This is the center of the second circle. I am going to draw a circle whose radius r is equal to 2 centimeters. Here also I am going to draw the circle. Here is also the r is equals to 2 centimeters. This is the circle C1 and this is the circle C2. We can say that these two circles are congruent because they are having the same size and the shape is also the same. Let us draw a square. A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S. Here for the squares all sides are equal. Let us AB is equal to 3 centimeter and PQ is also the 3 centimeters. Then we can say that ABCD is congruent to PQRS. In this way, they should have the same shape and the size also should be the same. Then they are the congruent. How can we say the two figures are similar or not? To prove the similar one, the shape should be the same. It may differ the size. Shape should be the same. And it is not necessary that the size should be same. The symbol is used to write the two figures are similar or not. So this symbol is used. Let us take the two circles. First circle let us draw with the radius of r is equal to 1 centimeter and let us draw one more circle. The radius is equal to 3 centimeter. We can say that the circle C1 and the C2, these two are the similar because its size is not the same. It differs the size. First one, this radius is equals to 1 and for the C2, radius is equals to 3. Whereas for the congruence, the radii are equal here, but it is not necessary here. We can say that these two circles are similar. By this, we can say that the two objects are said to be similar if they are having the same number of the sides, right? For example, there is a rectangle. Here, one more rectangle we draw. we can say that these two rectangles are similar but they are not congruent. By this, we can understand that shapes should be the same, means number of the sides should be equal here. Okay, how many sides is the first rectangle is having? 4 sides. The second one is also the 4. Suppose if we will draw a triangle and second one a square, can we say that these two are similar figures? No, not at all, because their shapes are the different, means number of sides are the different. Here number of the sides are the 3, here the number of the sides are the 4. So these two are not at all similar. They are neither congruent nor similar one. We can say that all the circles are congruent, all the equilateral triangles are congruent, and all the squares are also congruent. By all of these things, we can declare that all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Means if these two radii are equal to, it is also the 2. Then the congruent figures, all the congruent figures they are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Okay? In this way, these two are similar, but these are not congruent. These two figures are congruent as well as similar too. Let us see how can we say that the two figures are similar. Two polygons of the same number of the sides are similar. Same number of the sides should be equal. Then their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. For example, let us take the two triangles. ABC, P, Q and R. Let us take this as the 30. This is also the 30. This is 60. Then two polygons of the same number of the sides. First of all, we have to say whether both of they are having the sides equal or not. If the sides are different, we need not to check for these two criterias. Okay, here the number of the sides are 3. Here is also the number of the sides are 3. Then we can check for the first point, that is their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles should be same. What is the corresponding angle of the A? P. Here is the 30, then here is also the 30. The corresponding angle for the B is the Q. The angle of the B is the 60, then the angle of the Q is also the 60. Next, if the angle of the C is the Y, then the corresponding angle of the R, it is also Y. Then we can say that the first criteria is satisfied. Then the next one, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Suppose this is the 2, 1, 6, here is the 3, and here is the 4. Now we have to do their corresponding sides ratio, we have to calculate. What we have to do here? AB by, what is the corresponding side of the AB here? That is the PQ. AB is how much? 2. PQ is the 1. 2 by 1 is the 2. Next, BC is the 6 divided by QR is the 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. It is also the 2. 8 divided by 4, which is equals to 2. Means AB by PQ, the ratios AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. Means their ratios, if they are equal, then we can say that these two triangles are the similar to each other. In this way, we have to check whether the two polygons are similar or the not. Here, I have drawn the two types of the figures let us see whether these two figures are similar or not. We can see here, as every side is equal means it's a square which is having the side as a 6 centimeter, means every side will be the 6 centimeter. In a square, every angle is a right angle. Next, in that, the second one is PQRS is a rectangle. We know opposite sides are equal here, 7, then PS is also the 7. If PQ is the 13, then SR is also the 13 centimeters. Every measurement is in the centimeters. Then here, every angle of a rectangle is a right angle. If we compare the first square and the second as the rectangle, then every corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angle of the A is angle P, both are the right angle. In the same way, the corresponding angle of the B is the Q, the corresponding angle of the C is the R, and D is the S. Every angle is the 90 degrees. Then all the corresponding angles are equal. We can say that these two quadrilaterals having their corresponding angles equal. But what will be the second criteria? Means the first condition is satisfied. Let us see for the second condition. Their corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. AB's corresponding side is the PQ, 6 divided by 13. Next, BC's 6 divided by QR is the 7. Next, 6 divided by 13 means these two corresponding sides are not equal. Then we can say that these two quadrilaterals are not similar. Let us see the fourth figure. Let us see the second figures. Here ABCD is a square and PQRS is a rhombus. We know in both of them all the sides are equal. Here every angle is the 90 degrees, but here the opposite angles are the equal. Here angles are different, means first condition it's not satisfied. Then we can say that these two figures are also not similar. They are also not similar. They are not similar. In this way, we have seen how to check the similarity. Here we conclude a statement. It is that thus either of the above two conditions, 1 and 2 of the similarity of two polygons is not sufficient for them to be the similar. What is the meaning of this? If any one conditions get failed, we can't tell that they are the similar. Means it's not sufficient. Both the conditions should be satisfied, then and then only you can say that the two polygons are similar. Otherwise you can't say. In this way we completed the introduction. We will see the exercise 6.1 in my next video. Thanks for watching.